And check this out. Here's yet another observation of the mysterious flashing streetlights. Look at the setting here. It looks kind of foggy. The streetlights are still on. However, it's around 8 o'clock in the morning. Video footage sent in by Emily Lennon. Not sure of the location. I think she took this video from the eastern United States on December 28th of 2024. Once again, at 7:57 a.m. This video footage has narration. Check this out. Just over 48 hours ago.
What's happening here? What in the f is happening here?
And I put it in fast forward for presentation purposes so you could see that the lights were indeed flashing for unknown reasons. She was quite taken back by what she was seeing right here. And I was looking in the sky for maybe a drone, possibly influencing a substation, because that's what's going on here. I don't think all of these parking lot lights are mysteriously malfunctioning independently at the same time. This has to be something to do with a substation nearby. And she just happened to be parked right under a parking lot light that started flashing right above her car. What a eerie scenario. Once again, more of these mysterious flashing lights. Video footage sent in by Emily Lennon.